Question number 1. Which of the following is not correct? In Haber process, iron is the catalyst, molybdenum is the promoter. That is the correct one. Contact process, B2O5 is the catalyst. That is the correct one. In lead chamber process, NO is the catalyst. That is the correct one. But in Decaun's method, MnO2 is given. That is wrong statement. Because in Decaun's process, CuCl2 act as a catalyst. So therefore, not correct. Answer fourth option. So Decaun's process, originally the catalyst is CuCl2, but the given option MnO2. So that is wrong answer. Question number 2. The decomposition of KClO3 is catalyzed by. Yes, KClO3 decomposition is catalyzed by the catalyst is MnO2. MnO2 is the correct answer. Question number 3. Which is an example of autocatalysis? First of all, what is the meaning of autocatalysis? In any reaction, in between two reactant molecules, initially the reaction is slow. If two reactant molecules are reacted, it produces one product. One of the produced product act as a catalyst. Then that reaction is called as autocatalysis reaction. Yes, which option is correct for autocatalysis? Yes, hydrolysis of methyl acetate, that means ester hydrolysis. Decomposition of TNG and oxidation of oxalic acid with KMnO4. When oxalic acid reacts with KMnO4, it produces Mn plus 2 act as an autocatalyst. Therefore, all options are correct. Question number 4. Which of the following is not a characteristic of catalyst? It decreases the activation of the reaction. As it is correct. It does not participate in net reaction. That means it participates in the reaction, but overall it is coming from the reaction, because catalyst involved in the reaction but not consumed in the reaction. That is why it does not participate in net reaction. It changes the reaction mechanism. That's correct. And it changes the enthalpy of the reaction. Enthalpy of the reaction cannot be changed by adding of catalyst. Energy of the reactant, energy of the product, and enthalpy of the reaction cannot be changed by using catalyst. So answer fourth option. Question number 5. The temperature at which the catalytic activity of the catalyst is maximum is called. The activity of the catalyst is maximum at a certain temperature. What is the name of the temperature? It is called optimum temperature. So optimum temperature is the correct answer. Question number 6. The efficiency of the catalyst depends upon. Yes, the efficiency of the catalyst depends upon the amount of the catalyst is used. Question number 7. Which of the following exhibit a specific activity in a catalytic reaction? So, catalyst, promoter, catalytic poison, all of three is the correct answer. Question number 8. When acetyl chloride reacts with hydrogen in the presence of palladium barium sulfate quinoline, it converted to aldehyde. Aldehyde is called reduction. In this reduction, this quinoline acts as dash. Yes, it acts as a catalytic poisonous. It acts as a poisonous catalyst. It controls the speed of the reaction. Question number 9. Which of the following is a heterogeneous catalysis? First of all, what is the meaning of heterogeneous catalysis? If reactant and product are in gas phase, if a catalyst is in different phase from the reactant or product, that is called heterogeneous catalysis. Yes, in lead chamber process, NO act as a catalyst. All are in gases, therefore it is homogeneous catalysis. Acid ester hydrolysis, all are in a liquid state. It is a homogeneous catalysis. Next, Wilkinson catalyst in hydrogenation. It is also homogeneous. Therefore, the heterogeneous is CuCl2 in Decaun's process. Question number 10. Which of the following is not a negative catalyst? Yes, by observing all options, almost all options are act as a negative catalyst. But we are observing clearly, one option is not act as a negative catalyst. Yes, that is ethanol in the oxidation of chloroform. Yes, when chloroform react with air, it form passes gene COCl2. Produced COCl2 react with ethyl alcohol and converted to diethyl carbonate. That is why reaction chloroform oxidation can be controlled, but it is not clearly act as a negative catalyst. The answer is fourth option. Question number 11. In the decomposition of arsine, which act as a autocatalyst? Yes. In the decomposition of arsine, the product is AS and H2. Yes, AS act as arsenic act as a autocatalyst. Question number 12. In the reaction between KMnO4 and oxalic acid, which act as a autocatalyst? When KMnO4 reacts with oxalic acid, one of the product is MnSO4. So therefore, Mn plus 2 function act as a autocatalyst in the reaction between KMnO4 and oxalic acid. Question number 13. When an acid solution of oxalic acid at 80 degrees centigrade is titrated with KMnO4, first few drops of KMnO4 are decolorized slowly. But decoloration occurs fast later. This is because, yes, the same process. Same. When KMnO4 reacts with oxalic acid, initially the reaction is slow because there is no catalyst. Once the product Mn plus 2 is formed, that act as a autocatalyst and hence the reaction is fast. That is the characteristic. Question number 14. Which of the following reaction is an example for autocatalysis? Yes, there are 4 reactions are given. Which reaction act as an autocatalysis? Yes, we observe the first reaction. Decomposition of ASH3, AS, arsenic, the element arsenic act as an autocatalyst. So therefore, the correct answer is first option. Question number 15. Which one of the following is not a homogeneous catalytic reaction? By observing all options, by observing fourth option, manufacture of H2SO4 by contact process is not homogeneous. Why? In manufacture of H2SO4 by contact process, the reactants are 2SO2 plus O2. It forms 2SO3. All are in gas phase. But catalyst is platinum. It is a solid. Or V2O5. It is a solid. Therefore, this reaction is not a homogeneous. It is called heterogeneous.